Hey, what is up guys? How are you doing today? My name is Tobias. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, what I have for you guys is a microphone comparison video. I will be comparing two USB condenser microphones to each other, the TONOR TC-777 and the Blue Snowball. This is actually the first microphone I've ever bought. I know this microphone looks all dirty right here, but that is actually discoloration from being in the sun. I've owned this microphone since like 2008. I have reviewed both of these microphones individually in the past, but I want to compare these two right now because what I've been seeing on my YouTube recommended page is that people are calling this TONOR microphone the Blue Snowball killer, and I want to see if that's true. So first, I'm gonna go over the physical differences between these two microphones. Second, I'm going to be doing a side-by-side audio comparison of these two microphones. Third, I'm going to give you guys my opinion on which microphone I think is better. And fourth, I'm gonna ask you guys to go down there and hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started by showing you the Amazon pages for both of these microphones. It looks like the TONOR mic is going for $35 now. I think back when I got it, it was going for $40. So it's like $5 cheaper now. And the Blue Snowball is going for $70. However, in case you didn't know, there is also a microphone called the Blue Snowball Ice. And it's pretty much the same exact microphone, except instead of having 3 recording patterns, you only have 1, the cardioid recording pattern. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. But as you can see, there is a pretty huge price difference. If you're looking at the regular Blue Snowball, I mean, it's double the price of the TONOR TC-777. And it looks like both of them come with free shipping and also free returns. And I'm gonna have these Amazon pages for the mics linked down in the description of this video in case you wanna check them out for yourself. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the physical differences between the two mics. So just looking at the two mics off the bat, you can tell that there are some pretty obvious physical differences between the two mics. First off, the TONOR TC-77, the USB cable is actually not detachable from the mic, whereas the Blue Snowball, it is. And then if you look at the TC-777, it comes with a wind muff that you could put over the mic, and it also comes with a pop filter, which attaches to the mic holder right there. And this mic holder, it actually kind of acts as a little shock mount. If you look at the bottom of the mic, let me just focus on that. There we go. The mic itself is actually suspended by these rubber bands. So I believe that's meant to act as sort of a shock mount. How effective it is up for debate. I don't really know, but it's probably better than nothing. And of course, both mics come on these tripod stands. And if you look at the Blue Snowball, it has this red light that turns on at the top when you plug it in. And then when you turn the Blue Snowball around, you see these 3 numbers on the back, and these are the different recording patterns. If you have it turned to 1, that is just the regular cardioid recording pattern, which means the mic is recording from the front. If you have it set to 2, that is the omnidirectional setting, which means that the mic will record from all the way around it. And if you have it set to number 3, that is a negative 10 decibel pad switch, which means that the input volume of the mic will just drop by about 10 decibels, or by 10 decibels exactly, I guess. Whereas the TONOR mic just records in a regular cardioid pattern. So when we actually do the side-by-side audio comparison, we will only be using the cardioid pattern on the Blue Snowball. And if you actually go with the Blue Snowball Ice that I was talking about earlier, it does not have all these options on the back of the mic. It only has the number 1 setting as its default, the cardioid pickup pattern. If you would like to see me demonstrating all 3 of these settings, feel free to check out my in-depth review of the Blue Snowball itself. I'll go ahead and link that video in the description below. And let's go ahead and move on to our audio test. Alright guys, so I have the TONOR TC-777 plugged into my computer. I'm recording onto Logic Pro, and I actually don't remember what this microphone sounds like, so I'm pretty curious. So what I'm gonna do next is on the count of 3, I'm going to switch from the microphone on top of my camera to this microphone right here. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the TONOR TC-77. This is the side-by-side comparison part of the video. I am not doing any audio processing or anything. This is the raw audio from the microphone. And next we are going to switch over to the Blue Snowball so we can compare how they sound. Alright guys, now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the Blue Snowball. Can you guys hear a difference between the two microphones? Let's go ahead and switch back over to the TONOR TC-777. Alright guys, now we are back at the TONOR TC-777. Let me know what you guys think. Could you guys hear a difference between the two microphones? And now let's switch back over to the Blue Snowball. And now we are back over at the Blue Snowball. Let me know what you think about the two microphones down in the comments below. I feel like I'm kind of getting a sense for which microphone I kind of like more. And let's move back over to the TONOR microphone. Alright guys, now we are back at the TONOR mic. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And let's switch over to the Blue Snowball just one more time. And now we're back over at the Blue Snowball, and we're going to move over to the TONOR microphone for one final time. Just take it all in. I think I already know which microphone I like the sound of more, but let's go ahead and switch back over to the TONOR microphone one more time. And once again, we are back at the TONOR TC-777 for a final time. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back and listen to this audio very carefully, and I'll let you guys know which microphone I think is better. Alright guys, so I just got done reviewing the audio one more time, and I gotta say that there is a clear winner between these two microphones. But in my opinion, both microphones had a somewhat loud noise floor. The TONOR microphone definitely seemed to pick up more of those low mids, warm frequencies, while the Snowball kinda sounded like it was almost recorded inside a can or something. And it sometimes sounded a bit thin. And it was so funny because when I did the individual review on this microphone not even that long ago, I actually gave it a pretty good review in that video, and I think it was probably because I wasn't comparing it to any other mics. And deep down inside, this microphone has a lot of sentimental value to me because it's the first microphone I ever owned. This is the microphone that I recorded like the first songs I ever recorded ever, and it just means a lot to me. But I do have to say, you know, as far as the audio sounds, I do think that the TONOR microphone does sound better, and it's much more inexpensive. Just because of the sentimental value of this microphone, like I'm almost sad that it doesn't sound better than this TONOR microphone. It's funny to think that way. But of course guys, you guys heard the same exact audio that I heard, so I would love to hear what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you guys agree with me? Do you not agree with me? And once again guys, I will have the Amazon pages for both of these mics down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out. And if this video helped you out, or if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, I'm uploading new microphone videos every Monday. Make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!